Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to put on a school necktie. Getting your tie just right can make a big difference in your uniform's appearance. We'll start by positioning the tie correctly around your neck. Make sure the wide end is on your right side and hangs about 12 inches lower than the narrow end. This initial step is crucial for a well-balanced and professional-looking knot. Let's get started. Now, let's move on to the first few steps of forming the knot. Take the wide end and cross it over the narrow end, creating a clear X shape right below your chin. Then, bring that wide end up through the neck loop from underneath. Gently pull it down, but remember to keep the knot relatively loose at this stage. This sets the foundation for a perfect knot. All right, let's continue shaping our knot. Take the wide end and bring it across the front of the narrow end, forming a neat horizontal band. Next, push the wide end up through the neck loop once more, coming from underneath. Finally, thread the wide end down through the loop you just created in the front. This action really starts to define the knot's shape. You're almost there. Now it's time for the final adjustments. Gently pull the wide end downwards to tighten the knot to your desired firmness. Then, slide the knot up towards your collar, ensuring it sits snugly and neatly. Double-check that the narrow end is completely hidden behind the wide end for a truly polished and professional appearance. You've got a perfectly tied school necktie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.